A penalty in income tax is a fine or a monetary punishment imposed by the income tax department on a taxpayer for failing to comply with tax laws. It's a punitive measure meant to deter non-compliance and encourage taxpayers to follow the rules, such as filing their returns on time, paying taxes correctly, and maintaining proper financial records. Unlike interest, which is a charge for the delay in paying a tax amount, a penalty is for a specific default or an act of non-compliance. The amount of the penalty can be a fixed sum or a percentage of the tax evaded, depending on the nature of the offense. Common types of penalties. The Income Tax Act, 1961, has various sections that prescribe penalties for different defaults. Some of the most common ones are penalty for late filing of ITR, Section 234F. If you file your income tax return after the due date, you are liable to pay a late fee. This fee is typically a fixed amount, which is a maximum of 5,000 rupees if your total income is more than 5 lakh rupees, and a maximum of 1,000 rupees if your income is up to 5 lakh rupees. Penalty for underreporting or misreporting of income, Section 270A. This is one of the most serious penalties. Underreporting. If you declare a lower income than what you actually earned, the penalty is 50% of the tax payable on the underreported income. Misreporting. If the underreporting is due to deliberate misrepresentation or suppression of facts, e.g., creating false entries, not recording investments, the penalty is even higher at 200% of the tax payable on the misreported income. Penalty for failure to get accounts audited, Section 271B. If your business or profession has a turnover that exceeds the specified limits, you are required to get your accounts audited. Failing to do so can result in a penalty of 0.5% of the total turnover, subject to a maximum of 150,000 rupees. Penalty for not deducting TDS or TCS, Section 271C. If a person or company is responsible for deducting or collecting tax at source but fails to do so, they may have to pay a penalty equal to the amount of tax they failed to deduct.